Hey guys, welcome back to Kay and Tam's YouTube channel. Glad to see you again. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and share our videos so more people can see our work. So here we did a commercial interior painting for a jewelry store called Evry Jewels. We used Benjamin Moore paint and primer for this project. We obviously had to prime the surfaces to make sure it was ready for the paint to go on. Here you can see us working. It was actually just a two-man job, which took around 2 to 3 days. So we used two colors for this project. We used the vanilla milkshake, which is a creamy white color, and we used it for the shutter door, which you can see on the left. We also used it for the cabinets and the cash register area on the right. We used baby pink as accents on some walls and also used it for the storefront, which you're going to see later in the video. You know, sometimes you just need to change the color in your space to make it feel more like you or to make it resonate with your brand or your business better. And that's why at Kay and Tam we love color and we never underestimate its transformative abilities. So if you do need help in organizing or choosing colors in your space, whether residential or commercial, don't hesitate to reach out to us, as we also offer color consultation services in addition to painting. So this is before we put the baby pink on the walls. It was a lime green color that didn't match the vibe of the store. And here you can see the baby pink going up on the walls and it looks absolutely stunning. It fits in perfectly with the nature of the store and its products. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and turn on your post notifications for more videos from Kay and Tam. We have some really exciting stuff coming up that you definitely do not want to miss. And remember, we do all things home improvement, from renovations, interior design, landscaping, painting, cleaning, basically all things home improvement and anything to improve your property. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you and see you next time. Bye.